Yep. Over 100 rounds. Woo! We love it! Machine guns! Yay! What's over here? Oh, more breakables. So much stuff to blow up over here.
Oh, that's just great. Freaking rocket launchers.
Of course! Why wouldn't they? Okay. Broken dinosaur bones. Okay, the bridge. Mastodon. Or mammoth. Suit. Was I supposed to be able to drop these? No, I wasn't. Okay, that was supposed to be able to distract them. Rioters or guards. Ah, it's the shield. It's the shield. Gotcha.
Military-grade thermal imaging kit.
Take a little look at this lovely piece of kit. Pull the trigger and smile as 3.5 pounds of explosives hurtles toward the sneaky little rat who thought he could get away from it.
Oh my gosh. Wow. That's a bunch of knives. Good heavens. This place is, deadly. Ah, ornithopter. Ornithology. Ah. I guess that makes sense. Birds. Character trophy unlocked. Undercover cops. Nice.
Automatic assault shotguns. The crap we get back at the station have nothing on these things. We'd be sitting ducks out there.
Oh my gosh. That is some high-grade weaponry. Holy cow. Okay, nothing there. Nothing I want in the floor grates, though that would have been super handy. Stay in the art. Oh, very nice. Oh, a bat. Oh my gosh. Penguin. You saw brutal. Wow, an actual little bit of history.
It can't be. He's got some kind of military-grade communications jammer.
Whoop. Ooh. Whoa. Is this the back rooms? It's the back rooms. Wee. Oh, wee. Oh, great. A way out. Okay. How? Interesting. How do we get that? Add it to the collection. Beautiful. We're doing it sneaky, I guess.
Use these grenades to flush out all the dirty little vermin that wants to hide in dark corners.
Wow. See no evil, hear no evil, speak no evil. Classic pose. Yo! Boom. Oh.
There's enough assault rifles here to take out the entire precinct.
Great. All I caught on that was that they're jammers of some kind. That's what I got on that. Okay, wow, that was a lot. Big room. Lots to talk about. I think that's everything. You had cool gizmos. More guns. Love the guns. Oh, can crawl around as Catwoman. Interesting. So that should be everything in here. Right? Yeah, that's everything in here. La-di-dee, la-di-doo, la-da-da. La-di-dee-doo-doo-doo, la-da-da-dee-da-da. Oh, that's
It looks
big.
like the ice is beginning to thaw.
Oh, whoa. Yeah, it's pretty much thawed everything except for how we got in here. Whoa. Okay. Boom. But that means the shark is more liable to attack now? Is that what that's saying? Boom. Probably go this way. Oh! 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 Ah! Go, 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 go. Oh, he's big. Oh, he's big. Yeesh. Give me up, give me up, give me up, give me up, give me up. I don't want to hang out with Bruce anymore. What is going on down there, I wonder? Oh, there's a Riddler trophy. Already tagged. Okay, cool. How do we get in there, I wonder? Interesting. Very interesting. Wow. It looks cold. Oh boy. You little winter wonderland, penguin. Oy vey. Here we go!
Hello, Pat. I know it's you. What is it?
Oh, is this...
Finally grown up here and come to find me.
Is this our first, like, major boss fight?
Good luck. You want some? Come get it. Hold still, Batman.
I'm too far away. The override won't work this well.
Ow! No!
What's the birdie?
Ah!
Please help us.
Ow! Ow! Whoa!
Stay still, Batman.
Oy vey. Ugh.
You can't win, Batman.
Okay.
This place is mine. Tell you what, Batman. I'll give you this one for free. Come, you're mine. Come on then, son. Give me your best.
I need to get closer to Penguin before activating the I can use the security override to get to Penguin.
What is me?
Huh?
Come on, fuck.
Oh! Oh!
You're finished.
Oh, is that our first boss fight?
I'm sorry. Please, don't hurt me.
I can't guarantee that.
Me neither.
Oh! Oh! Oh gosh. What is this now? We're back here?
I tried to help you, Batman. I gave you the opportunity to end this and walk away, but no. You had to be the big
You had to be the big man.
Guess what? From up here, you look pretty small.
Oh, I'm gonna take you down. Wait. Oh no, what's going on?
Oh, don't look so sad. I've got a little surprise for you down there.
What the? It's what's his face? We read about him in the sewers. Oh man. Oh, he looks very upset. Solomon Grundy, that's his name.
Born on a Monday, christened on Tuesday, married on Wednesday.
Oh.
I found him down there when I bought this place. Comes in.
Oh no. Oh. Hi, Solomon. Oh, he is big. L2 quick. Oh! Wait, what? Oh, I see. Ah! I see.
And he's back.
Oh, come on. Okay. Oh, gosh. Ow! Ow!
What the hell are you doing?
Ow! There we go. There we go. There we go.
What the hell are you doing?
Go, 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 go. Yes! Go, 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 go.
Oh, you're asking for it now. Let's see how much that ugly son of a bitch
Oh,
can
no. So this is the Solomon Grundy fight. Oh! Whoa! He's on fire!
Oh, that looked like it hurt, didn't it? Good job that bugger's immortal.
Ow! 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 Oh gosh. Okay. We're doing fine. Ow!
Those things are antiques! Leave them alone!
Ow! Ow! Ugh! There we go, there we go, there we go, there we go. Oh, there we go, there we go, there we go. Oh, 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 oh. There we go.
What have you done? You little... You can't kill him! You can't!
I'm not trying to kill him, I'm just beating him up. Finish Grundy. Oh. Oh no!
Well, what do you know? You really can't kill that bastard!
What are we doing? 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 Oh gosh. Ugh. Struggling! I'm struggling! Oh. Whoa!
Enough with the bloody explosives! I mean it!
Ow, 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 ow. Ow!
That!
Ow! Oh my gosh! Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. He's stuck. He's stuck. Take him out. Take him out. Oh! There we go, 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 there we go! Oh!
Oi! Just you and me left. The bat versus the bird.
Oh! What? Oh! There we go, there we go, there we go, there we go. Oh! Wow, what a crazy boss fight.
Where is Cobblepot?
Oh, man.
Well, look who it is. Mr.
Ooh!
Enough. Freeze. Enough.
Of course.
You will regret what you did, Mr. Cobblepot.
Oh. Oh, hey, he's going in Bruce's.
The cure, Freeze.
Oh, boy.
There isn't.
What?
Perhaps I should elaborate. Creating an antidote to the disease that afflicts the clown was easy. Unfortunately, the cure degrades too quickly.
Whoa.
It needs a restorative element, some kind of reforming enzyme. Without it, it breaks down before it can help its host.
I've seen this before.
Finding a suitable enzyme is not the only problem. It needs to be adapted, bonded to human DNA.
Whoa.
That will take decades. Time, it appears you do not have.
What if I told you I know a man who's been exposed to that enzyme for centuries?
What?
His
Bang.
name is Ra's al Ghul.
Bring him to me. All I need is a sample of his blood. It is your only hope.
Ra's al Ghul is dead.
Then you and the clown are doomed.
But what about Talia?
Not exactly. I need someone to tell me where the body is. Then I can go wake him up.
Well, yeah, what about Talia?
Blasphemer! You are not worthy to speak of the great Ra's al Ghul.
Oh.
You are a fool, Batman. You've let your only hope escape.
No, Victor. If Ra's al Ghul is in Arkham City, I now have a trail right to him.
Oh, wow. What in the world? What? Oh. This is crazy. So Cobblepot's is done.
This isn't over.
It is from where I'm standing.
Oh,
I'm a patient man. I can wait.
I love that. Mr. Freeze.
Are you sure this man can provide the missing ingredient?
Oh
I've met
boy.
Ra's al Ghul many times. He claims to be over 600 years old. And I believe him. Which means something is keeping him alive.
Yeah.
Let us hope you are correct, Batman. After all, your life depends on it.
Man, this is so cool.
You saved my ass back there, Batman.
Ah, that's so cool. Way to go. Way to go. I love this. Let's level up. Heat signature conceal. Ooh. We're just going to avoid that from now on. Beautiful. And then we'll finish the combat armor. My goodness. Guys, this is phenomenal. New interrogation. So these are the ones that I already have. Yeah, I already have these. Very cool. Alright. Wow. That's gonna be the end of this recording, but that was insane. Let me know, is that the last we fight of Penguin? I think it is. I think it is. That was a really cool boss fight. And very cool getting to see Solomon Grundy make an appearance. Not just referenced in like the posters and stuff. Like he actually was there as a boss. So very cool, very well done. Love this game. I'm enjoying it. I'm enjoying Mr. Freeze and our interactions with him. Obviously, we will need to fight him at some point, I'm sure. Because we're not friends. He said it. But that will have to wait till the next one. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see more Batman Arkham City content, like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell to get notified when more videos come out, as well as God of War Ragnarok, which we're doing a completion playthrough. We should be getting close to finishing up Svartalfheim and moving on to the next of the realms. I believe we'll go to Alfheim next. I'm going to try and go in like story order with Midgard being last. We'll see. Bioshock 2, which we're making very steady progress. We're almost done with Dionysus Park. And then we're doing Hogwarts Legacy, which we're making very good steady progress. I think we got maybe a couple relationship missions, and I do want to do the assignments before I go back to them, because I want to learn like Flipendo and stuff like that. And then I think if all goes well and I can get some more recording done, I'm going to start recording probably today or tomorrow, probably tomorrow. Start recording the next game, which you should be seeing a preview for by the time this video comes out. Should be seeing a preview for. But this has been fantastic. I've enjoyed this so much. So thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I will see you in the next one. Bye!